What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Pepe. And this video, or at least in the last three videos of today, so that's Pepe, I also did it with Fetch, but also XRP. I'll try to be a little bit more clear, alright? I've gotten quite a lot of comments basically since I started that sometimes it seems like I don't know what I'm talking about. And to a certain extent, nobody knows for 100% what he or she is talking about, right? I mean, in the end, predicting crypto moves, you're going to be wrong sometimes. But I'll just tell you straight up what I think about Pepe. I'll tell you what I think in terms of trades, etc. I am not trading Pepe right now, but we will talk about certain opportunities and just in general the direction. So for me, yesterday a price alert went off for Pepe yesterday, and I think this really tells the story of what I think about Pepe. All right, what we have seen since Bitcoin found some sort of a bottom right here, the 5th of July, we have seen that meme coins have, held their own pretty well. Pepe, not so much. We got some bullish momentum, has consolidated for the majority of the time. Bonk, for example, actually did get some nice momentum. And there's been some other meme coins like Mog, like Pepe, that actually performed, Popcat, that actually performed well. But then yesterday, for example, is that what you see is that the market structure for Pepe is very neutral. Like there's not really much you can do. We're basically consolidating here in this area. So yes, you can take a short at the top of the consolidation, which yesterday would have worked out, or a long at the bottom. But then you do know that at any point of time, that consolidation can break. And Bitcoin has been quite volatile here and there, right? So that's really a possibility. So I don't think trading the range here is the best thing to do. But then what you had yesterday is that Bitcoin was quite strong and Pepe was able to break above this 200 EMA and historically just a normal key level. But you can see on the 1 hour time frame, we broke above that, but it was a very clear fake out. All right, we broke above that, but at the same point of time, like Pepe was gaining some momentum, but that momentum was very mixed. As you can see right here, so we were gaining momentum, but it was a lot of short orders, which is not what you want to see. Then we and then earlier today we also started to gain some more short positions and some long positions, so that could be interesting. But again, so Pepe is gaining some momentum, but the momentum is still, like, if you compare that with the last time Pepe really broke out, it's very low. So got that fake out on the 4 hour time frame. We just respected the resistance, and then with the bearish momentum for Bitcoin, Pepe broke out here as well. So personally, I'm just bearish on Pepe. While at the same point of time, meme coins have proven to be relatively strong if Bitcoin bounces. So for me, there's just no real, I don't necessarily want to trade Pepe right here. Like I would say, if you zoom out, a level like this at 7,500 historically is quite strong. So that's a level where I would consider buying. And also, I mean, yesterday it was also a pretty guaranteed sell right here once we actually drop down below the 200 EMA again. So for me, the main opportunities for Pepe right now, if you zoom out, we are in a downtrend. So it's mainly short opportunities, except if it's from a strong high time frame level, such as 7,500 down here. But no, wait for some fake momentum, wait for a bearish reclaim. We also, to a certain extent, had that right here, even though the momentum right here was much stronger. So that was a risky short to take. But no, we also, like right now in the short term, we've dropped down below 9,000 here. For me, what seems most likely is that we'll do something like this, but I don't really see anything. I don't really see any trade opportunities here. I would say the only hypothetical trade opportunity is if Bitcoin all of a sudden turns bullish. All right, because if Bitcoin turns bullish and Pepe is able to get some sort of a breakout above 9,000, now that's interesting because that's easy invalidation. Let's assume that Bitcoin turns bullish and Pepe does something like this. The moment we break out above 9,000, we already know that you can get some nice risk rewards because the top of the range we tested is up here, and you know that, all right, well, if we drop down below 9,000 again, I should sell. So that's an opportunity. That's something that I think is interesting. But if you look at the momentum right now, if you look at the market, if you look at the price structure for Pepe, it's much more likely that we'll do something like this. But those are my thoughts, right? So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Let me know if this explanation was a little bit more clear. Hopefully it was. But for now, that's all I have to say. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.